And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to loop a clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. You will find this footage via the description link below. I will put it in the timeline, so you can see it right here on the left. It's the source video. And your first idea would be to just hold Alt and drag copies out of it. Then right click and add a default transition. You can also go to Effects, type in Cross for example, and use the Cross Dissolve, drag and drop it on your transition point. Then select them both, hold Alt, drag a copy out of it. But now you see we'll have to add the Cross Dissolve anytime we want to add a loop segment. I add the video footage again, and now I press C for the cut tool, and I just cut it somewhere. Press V for the selection tool, then I place the first half on top, and now I add Cross Dissolve to the top one. Let me make that a little bit smaller so that it fits the one below. I hold Alt and drag another copy out of the top one. I reposition that and add another Cross Dissolve to the top one. And if I now copy it and reposition it, I don't have to add these Cross Dissolves manually anymore. So I've done it once and it's now there in every loop segment. Let me render that and I'll show you what it does. And now you can see we've got this Cross Dissolve transition. There are no hard cuts, and we could save a couple of clicks. Obviously, how many segments you need is a question of how long you want your loop to be. But this is the basic process of creating a loop in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.